My father, his name was Joseph, and he didn't have any financial background or any social background or any educational background. But when he left this world in 1959, he left behind him 10 children, each financially independent through his gift. If you leave one child financially independent, that's a tremendous accomplishment. He left 10, each independently secure in the financial world. And that was my dreaming father. And he said to me one day, when he heard me for the first time, I told the people, close your eyes and simply see it in your mind's eye. And I began to describe exactly what I would do. After the meeting, he said to me, you know, son, everything you said today was right but one thing. I said, what's the one thing? He said, don't close your eyes completely. Leave them partly open. That's what I do. I see better. Shut them, but don't close them completely. You lose control of your imagination. You just completely, you go away. If you leave it partly open, you can control it better. So I would sit alone every morning and just simply shut my eyes, but I don't shut them completely. And then I see what I want to see, and I carry on conversations with those I must meet today from the premise that I want. And they only answer what I want to hear. And they completely do exactly what I want. That's how I control it. That was a waking dream. That was what my father did. That's what my brother Victor did. And they became what they are. Well, in the little island of Barbados today, they are tops in the financial world. Even the government, if they want to move, they always see my brother Victor. They've got to see him first before they make great moves in the financial world. So I'm telling you, it's all a dream. The whole vast world is a dream. And it's the dream of God.